In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget in QuickBooks. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can set up a budget that helps you plan ahead and track your financial goals more effectively. To begin, open QuickBooks and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, go to Settings. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the setup and management tools for your company, including budgeting. Once you're in Settings, click on Budgeting. This will take you to the budgeting area where you can view existing budgets or create a new one. If this is your first time here, the page may be empty, and that's completely normal. Next, click Add Budget, or in some versions of QuickBooks, you may see Create New Budget. Either option brings you to the budget setup screen. Now you'll name your budget. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one budget over time. After that, choose the budget type. The default option is profit and loss, which is commonly used for planning income and expenses. You may also have the option to choose balance sheet if that better fits what you need to forecast. After naming the budget and selecting the type, choose the fiscal year you want the budget to apply to, then select the budget format. You can choose consolidated if you want one budget for the entire company, or if you need more detail, you can subdivide the budget by classes, locations, or customers. This is especially useful if you want to compare performance across different parts of the business. Once those setup choices are in place, you can start entering your budgeted amounts. Type the expected figures into the cells for each account. Depending on how you want to plan, you can enter values by month, quarter, or year. Take your time here and make sure the amounts reflect realistic expectations based on your business goals. If you already know the total amount you want for an account, there's a shortcut available. You can enter that figure in the budget totals column, then click the split arrow to distribute the total evenly across all months. This can save time and give you a clean starting point, especially if your budget is fairly consistent throughout the year. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your budget will then be stored in QuickBooks and ready for future review and comparison. That's how to create a budget in QuickBooks. Once your budget is in place, it becomes